Well, hello, this is John Sullivan with the Sullivan and Sullivan team at Keller Williams Realty in Arlington. I want to cover a few things in our real estate minute today. We're going to be looking at figures through May. That's the latest figures we have for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Okay, let's dig into the numbers. These represent home sales in the Dallas-Fort Worth area through May of 2020. And what we'll notice is that the COVID virus has affected it, and there's a downturn in the market during this time period. And I want to point out that these represent only single-family homes. They don't include condos, townhomes, or land. So the number of homes sold was 39,272. That's down 6% from the same period in 2019. Total dollar volume was about 12,520 million. That's down 5% also from 2019. The median price, here's a good number, it's up a little bit, 3.1% at $268,000. Pending sales, so those are the ones that are under contract and should go ahead and go to closing in the near future. There's 48,674, that's down a little over 5%. Active listings, so the active homes on the market for sale was 20,497. That's down 12%, and that's one of the things affecting our market is the low inventory right now. Okay, here are the statistics for just the month of May. The previous slide showed year-to-date through May. So it's interesting, the median price just for the month of May was down 1%, but it's still pretty healthy at $272,000. That's compared to May of 2019. I think it's interesting the price distribution that we point out here. The range that is about 60% of all homes sold is between $200,000 and $400,000. That's the hot range in our market here. Days on market, in other words, the number of days it takes to sell a house from the day you put it on the market till you get an accepted contract, that's 49 days. That's 2 days more than May of 2019, so that's pretty stable. Pending sales, now they were down year to date, but for the month of May, they were up a little over 13,000. That's 15% more than May of 2019. Now, again, here's the representative of the low inventory. The number of homes on the market for sale, 19,398. That's down 26% from May of last year. So let's talk a little bit about how COVID-19 is impacting the Texas economy and our local real estate market, or the market in Texas for that matter. The COVID-19 health crisis is unlike any crisis our economy has ever experienced in the past. The economy is currently going through a self-induced sudden stop as we try to contain and stabilize the spread of this virus. The Texas Weekly Index of Leading Economic Factors continued showing improvements up through the third week of June, and this was due mainly to the increase in business applications and fewer people filing for unemployment. However, we have been experiencing a resurge in coronavirus cases and hospitalizations, and unfortunately, this could reverse our recovery. On the supply side, the number of existing home sales has been rebounding, but it was still down 16% when we compare it to last May. The good news is interest rates continue to be historically low, and for the real estate market, that's great. The challenge with our real estate market now is mainly the low inventory of homes and new homes coming on the market for sale. The real estate statistics that we just covered were for the Dallas-Fort Worth, North Texas area. Real estate, of course, is a very local business and driven by what's going on in your local neighborhood. What you're looking at is what we call a neighborhood snapshot. It's for a neighborhood in Fort Worth. If you're not already receiving one of our neighborhood snapshots and would like to get a report on real estate activity in your neighborhood, just give us a call. You could reach us at 817-330-9235, or you can send us an email to info@sullivandfwhomes.com. All right, thanks for listening to our monthly real estate report. We hope it was helpful for you.